Welcome to today's What Moved the Market show. I'm your host Prem. It's Thursday, October 9th, 2025, and here is everything you need to know as the markets close for today. Let's start with the closing numbers. The Sensex finished strong, gaining 398 points, ending the day at 82,172. The Nifty 50 also surged, rising 136 points to close at 25,182. Both benchmarks were buoyed by optimism in the broader market, with all sectoral indices closing in the green. The Nifty Midcap 100 outperformed, climbing nearly 1%, while the Small Cap Index finished up 61 basis points. As for the rupee, it remained under pressure, hovering near its historic lows against the dollar at the close. Currency weakness continues to be a concern for import-heavy sectors, but has, for now, been offset by renewed investor flows and positive market undertones. Today's action was fueled by a combination of easing geopolitical tensions overseas, expectations that foreign investors will ramp up inflows, and active bargain hunting, especially as the Nifty defended the 25,000 mark. There's also a palpable buzz ahead of key earnings, particularly in the IT sector, as traders eye the second quarter results from TCS. Festive demand in autos and consumer durables is injecting enthusiasm, alongside hopes for a possible India-US trade deal by next month. Now to the movers and shakers of the day. Tata Steel led the charge among blue chips, rallying 3% on robust sector sentiment for metals, while HCL Tech saw healthy buying ahead of tomorrow's major IT results. Ultratech Cement, Bharat Electronics and Sun Pharma also clocked notable gains. SpiceJet was the standout in mid-caps, soaring 18% on positive news related to route expansion. GM Breweries jumped 15% after reporting solid second quarter numbers. On the flip side, Axis Bank, Titan, HDFC Bank, Maruti, and Bharti Airtel struggled to keep pace, underlining sector rotation and some profit-taking in select financial and consumer names. In the IPO space, LG Electronics saw exceptional demand, with its offering oversubscribed 54 times, while Canara Robeco AMC also attracted keen interest. Both stories highlight the scorching primary market activity, with India ranking 4th globally for IPO fundraising this year. Let's get technical for a moment. The Nifty 50 wrapped up just shy of its key resistance at 25,200. Should it breach that figure decisively, the next upside target could be 25,600. The support zone is anchored at 25,000. Earlier dips were quickly bought, indicating strong investor confidence near this level. Bank Nifty's performance reflected similar resilience, consolidating above its short-term support. Turning to sector leadership, metals topped the chart, gaining more than 2% on the back of global cues and bullish analyst commentary. IT was not far behind, benefiting from pre-earnings enthusiasm and renewed institutional interest. Every sector closed higher today, a rare display of broad-based strength. On the regulatory and macro front, the RBI made headlines with fresh announcements to boost UPI payments, signaling continued fintech innovation. The rupee's softness remains an ongoing challenge, linked to global dollar strength and recent oil price moves. Let's switch gears to commodities. Silver prices reached record highs today, reflecting risk appetite and shifting safe haven demand. MCX Gold and Silver both posted notable gains in rupee terms, with silver hitting new benchmarks and gold maintaining upward momentum. Base metals followed suit, tracking global market strength, while crude oil edged higher in response to ongoing supply dynamics. Geopolitically, one pivotal development drove sentiment. Israel and Hamas announced the first phase of a peace plan, easing global tensions. Closer to home, Prime Minister Modi and UK's Keir Starmer underlined a deepening India-UK partnership, with further strategic investments, including a £1 billion chip investment by Grafco, helping sectors like technology and manufacturing. Now for the technical outlook and what traders should watch heading into tomorrow. The Nifty 50 is poised just below resistance at 25,200. If bulls break through, we could see a push towards 25,600, but traders should be alert for a possible pause or pullback if immediate catalysts fall short. Any dip near the 25,000 mark is likely to attract bargain hunters again. For Bank Nifty, resilience at current levels provides a constructive backdrop, but the tone remains data-dependent, with Q2 results likely to set the tempo. Risks to watch include ongoing currency weakness, global commodity swings, and headline-driven volatility. Before signing off, here's one actionable takeaway. Today's session confirms the market's willingness to rotate into strong sectors and snap up quality stocks during dips. If Nifty holds above 25,000 and shows signs of clearing resistance, consider phased exposure to leaders in IT, metals, and fast-moving consumer goods, with strict stop losses near key support zones. Always keep an eye on global headlines and policy updates. These drive the next big moves. That wraps up this evening's show. Send in your market questions and tune in for tomorrow morning's wrap. Stay tuned and have a profitable evening.